Beneath the vast expanse of the ocean, where sunlight fades into an eternal twilight, a world of wonders exists that has only recently begun to reveal its secrets. It was a crisp morning in early spring when a team of marine geologists set out on an expedition that would change our understanding of oceanic landscapes forever. Their mission was to explore the submerged canyons off the coast of a remote archipelago, but what they discovered was far more astonishing than they had anticipated. As the research vessel, the Ocean Explorer, glided over the surface, the team prepared their equipment for the deep-sea survey. The captain, a seasoned veteran of oceanic exploration, had heard whispers of unusual formations in these waters. However, even his experienced eyes could not have predicted the breathtaking sight that lay beneath. Using advanced sonar technology, the team began mapping the seafloor, revealing intricate patterns and formations that resembled river systems flowing through a terrestrial landscape. The sonar readings indicated the presence of dense, salty water flowing along the ocean floor, distinct from the surrounding seawater. This phenomenon, which scientists would later term submarine rivers, was a result of a complex interplay of geological and hydrological processes. As the team delved deeper into their research, they discovered that these underwater rivers were formed by the unique characteristics of the ocean's salinity and temperature gradients. The denser, saltier water, often originating from underwater springs or melting ice, would flow along the seafloor, carving channels and creating a network of rivers that mirrored those found on land. The revelation of these submarine rivers opened up a new chapter in marine science. Researchers began to investigate how these hidden waterways affected the surrounding environment. The currents within these rivers were not merely passive. They played a crucial role in transporting nutrients, sediments, and even marine organisms. The team noted that the flow of water in these rivers often created eddies and whirlpools, fostering rich biodiversity in the vicinity. In the days that followed, the researchers deployed remotely operated vehicles equipped with cameras to capture footage of the underwater rivers. As the vehicles descended into the depths, they revealed a vibrant world teeming with life. Schools of fish darted through the currents, while larger predators, like sharks and rays, lurked nearby, taking advantage of the nutrient-rich waters. Coral reefs flourished along the banks of these underwater rivers, their vibrant colors contrasting beautifully against the dark backdrop of the ocean floor. The discovery of submarine rivers also prompted scientists to reconsider their understanding of marine ecosystems. Traditionally, marine life was thought to be primarily dependent on sunlight and surface currents. However, the team observed that many species thrived in the depths, relying on the nutrient flow from the rivers. This finding suggested that ecosystems could be more complex than previously imagined, with life forms adapting to the unique conditions of these hidden currents. As the expedition continued, the researchers gathered samples from various points along the underwater rivers. They analyzed the sediment composition, discovering that the rivers transported not only nutrients, but also organic matter from the surrounding environment. This organic material served as a vital food source for a myriad of organisms, from the smallest microorganisms to larger fish species. The interconnectedness of these rivers with the broader marine ecosystem began to paint a picture of an intricate web of life, all dependent on the flow of water beneath the waves. The implications of this discovery extended beyond the immediate environment. The team realized that submarine rivers could play a significant role in global ocean circulation patterns. The movement of dense, salty water along the seafloor influenced larger currents, contributing to the intricate dance of the ocean's currents that regulate climate and weather patterns around the globe. Understanding these hidden waterways could provide crucial insights into how climate change might impact oceanic systems and, by extension, the planet as a whole. Word of the discovery spread rapidly through the scientific community, igniting a wave of interest and further research. Marine biologists, geologists, and oceanographers began collaborating, seeking to unravel the mysteries of these underwater rivers. They organized additional expeditions, equipped with more advanced technology, to map the extent of the submarine river systems and study their characteristics in greater detail. As research progressed, scientists identified various types of submarine rivers, each with its unique features. Some were characterized by fast-moving currents, while others flowed more slowly, creating tranquil environments that nurtured diverse marine life. The temperature and salinity gradients within these rivers also varied, leading to distinct ecological niches that supported a wide array of species. One of the most intriguing aspects of these rivers was their seasonal variability. In certain regions, the flow of water would change dramatically with the seasons, influenced by factors such as rainfall, melting ice, and oceanic currents. This seasonal ebb and flow created dynamic habitats that adapted to changing conditions, allowing for a rich tapestry of life to flourish. The impact of submarine rivers on marine life became a focal point of research. Scientists observed that certain species exhibited unique adaptations to thrive in these environments. For instance, some fish developed specialized gills to filter nutrients from the dense waters, while others evolved to navigate the swift currents with remarkable agility. The interplay between the rivers and marine organisms revealed a fascinating example of evolution in action, underscoring the resilience and adaptability of life in the face of changing conditions. As the years passed, the exploration of submarine rivers continued to yield new insights. Researchers began to document the effects of human activity on these delicate ecosystems. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change posed significant threats to the health of these underwater environments. The team advocated for increased protection of these areas, recognizing their importance not just for marine life, but for the overall health of the planet. In parallel with scientific research, the discovery of submarine rivers sparked public interest and awareness of ocean conservation. Documentaries, articles, and educational programs highlighted the beauty and complexity of these hidden waterways, inspiring a new generation of ocean advocates. Schools began incorporating marine science into their curricula, fostering a sense of stewardship among young people for the oceans and the life they support. The narrative of the submarine rivers became a symbol of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The more scientists learned, the more they realized that the health of the oceans was intrinsically linked to the health of the planet. The rivers beneath the waves served as a reminder that even the most hidden and seemingly insignificant aspects of our world could have profound impacts on the larger ecosystem. As the research progressed, the team of marine geologists continued to expand their explorations, venturing to different oceanic regions in search of new submarine river systems. Each expedition brought new discoveries, revealing the astonishing diversity of life that thrived in these underwater environments. From the frigid waters of the Arctic to the warm currents of tropical seas, the team documented an array of ecosystems that flourished along the banks of these rivers. One particularly memorable expedition took place in a remote area of the South Pacific. As the team descended into the depths, they encountered a submarine river that flowed through a stunning underwater canyon. The walls of the canyon were adorned with vibrant corals and anemones, while schools of fish danced in the currents. The beauty of this hidden world left the researchers in awe, reinforcing their commitment to understanding and protecting these delicate ecosystems. In the years that followed, collaborative efforts between scientists, conservationists, and policymakers led to the establishment of marine protected areas that encompassed the regions surrounding submarine rivers. These protected areas aim to safeguard the unique biodiversity and fragile ecosystems that thrived in these environments. The hope was that by preserving these underwater rivers, future generations would continue to marvel at the wonders of the ocean and the life it supports. As awareness of submarine rivers grew, so did the understanding of their importance in the context of global climate change. Scientists began to investigate how changes in ocean temperature and salinity could affect the flow of these rivers and the ecosystems they supported. The implications of this research were profound, as it highlighted the need for urgent action to mitigate the impacts of climate change on our oceans. The journey of discovery surrounding submarine rivers transformed not only the scientific community, but also the broader public's perception of the ocean. The once mysterious depths were now viewed as a vital component of our planet's health, deserving of protection and respect. The narrative of submarine rivers became a powerful testament to the beauty and complexity of life beneath the waves, inspiring a collective effort to safeguard the oceans for generations to come. In the end, the discovery of rivers beneath the ocean was more than just a scientific breakthrough. It was a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The hidden waterways served as a bridge between the known and the unknown, revealing the intricate relationships that bind us to the natural world. As we continue to explore and learn from the depths of the ocean, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect and preserve the delicate ecosystems that sustain life on our planet. The story of submarine rivers is a call to action, urging us to cherish and safeguard the wonders of the ocean, for they are not just the lifeblood of marine life, but the heart of our planet itself.